What is up, you guys? It is Tress to Impress, and today's video is going to be another video starring baby girl getting her hair done and this heart-shaped parting. So if you are interested, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share out this video. Let's get into it. So I'm starting out with her hair already previously detangled and split into two sections. I am neatening up the center part from ear to ear on her hair because that's pretty much going to be the base part of this hairstyling. And y'all, you can see by all of the motion that is going on, she is really not feeling getting her hair done this go round. So that's why I decided to name this video part 1, because vibe check at the end just really was not it for me. I'll let you guys be the judge of if this was a pass or a fail, and you guys let me know down in the comments, pass or fail. Keep in mind that part 2 is going to be coming soon. Now that I have the section parted from ear to ear, I went ahead and started on the hardest part of this hairstyle, which is the heart-shaped part. Y'all, you can see she is really like just pulling away from me and not having it at all. So I made sure that we had already used the potty and that she had breakfast, and I thought we were in a great mood. We had Gracie's Corner playing, we had the toys out, but honey, she was just not having it this particular day. Y'all, in literally a few seconds, she had a complete meltdown and I had to stop filming. So now we are back, and I decided to try and bribe her with fruit snacks. So we have calmed, we have gotten regrounded, and now I am making the parting curved shape. I did not realize until I started editing that you guys could not see a clear view of me doing this heart-shaped parting, but you can see a little bit, okay? So I just made it curve shape, and now I'm about to etch out the cleavage part of the heart. As you can see, she was reaching for the fruit snacks faster than I could pass them to her, so I tried to get her to drink a little bit of water because I really don't want her to be too hyped up on sugar. She really put me to the test on this styling. So you guys can see that I have finally etched out that heart-shaped part. And for the most part, I just used my fingernails to do so. And then, of course, I proceeded with my regular routine of wetting her hair, adding a moisturizer of some sort, detangling with the wide tooth comb, then the low tension brush, followed by the Denman brush, followed by a more fine tooth comb so that I can get the most curl definition out of her hair. Y'all, I have been seeing this unbrush all over TikTok, all over Instagram now, and I really want to experiment with it on her hair and see if I can eliminate using some of the other styling tools, because it will speed up the process of me detangling her hair and combing her hair each day. So if you guys have any experience with the unbrush that is viral on social media right now, then please let me know down in the comments below what your experience has been like, because I am super interested in trying it out at this point now, especially now that she is getting more and more active while I'm combing her hair. I think that it would help her to have a little bit more patience if I could move through the process a little bit quicker without having to change styling tools so frequently on every section. So now I finally got the rubber band on this ponytail, y'all. It's not even neat. It was not giving, but I got it on. So at this point, I started thinking in my head, just get the sections done. And we are 3 seconds away from the very next meltdown, y'all. She had another complete meltdown, and I had to stop filming. I made her grits. I cut up some fruit for her, make sure that belly was full. So basically, it was like a brunch situation, because I mentioned earlier in the video that I had already fed her breakfast this morning. So let's just get the parting sections down and we will be done. So there's supposed to be 2 sections on either side of her head, 1 section in the middle at the top, which is what I'm parting off now, and then 2 sections at the back. back of her head. So here I'm just parting from one side across to the other and trying to get it as straight as humanly possible at this point with her moving around so much. And let me just be the one to tell you, it did not come out straight. It came out how it came out. Y'all, she really had me going. She had me stressed out on this video. Okay, do you hear me? Here I am again, just adding the water and the product onto her hair. I will make sure that these products are tagged on my Amazon storefront and that link is available to you guys down in the description box below. So we're just using a spray bottle with water, the Cantu Curl Activator product. This is my first time using that particular Cantu product on her hair on a video, but I think I like it so far. And then I'm also using the same gel that I always use that does not flake in the hair. The Cantu product smells absolutely amazing, and I love how it smells the next day and the following day and the following day. So I may stick with using this product for quite some time. I'm not sure. As far as curl activating, I don't know. I feel like her curl pattern pretty much looks the same as how it looks when I use just water or water with other products. Now, the original style by @_lots_of_beauty on Instagram was a completely braided style. I personally prefer baby girl's hair in 2-strand twist for now. I may go back and try the style in braids just to see how it looks. But I like the 2-strand twist. I think that the 2-strand twists are super easy to take down and retwist once the style needs to be redone. And then for some reason in my head, I'm always thinking that I'm going to do a twist out the next day after I do her hair, and then I never do the twist out. So there's that as well. So there are many reasons why I kind of prefer the 2-strand twist on her hair. The shrinkage is super cute. So once I actually got to this back section, I was kind of over the twisting. I ended up just finger coiling her hair on the ends and calling it a day because, like I said, I just wanted to get the sections done, and I figured I could go back and redo the hair the next day and make the parts neater and make the styling exactly how I wanted it to be, because I was losing patience with parting sections and she was losing patience with me parting sections. So it is what it is. I did go ahead and pull the side twist back to meet the top middle section, which was done in the inspiration video. And from here, I just continued to secure the sections and finger coil the ends of her hair. Now, once I finished the back, baby girl still had a little bit of patience left in her, and I really did not like this big puff in the front of her head. So she did allow me to do 3 2-strand twists on this section of her hair. And I thought it would make a cute little ponytail, y'all, and it actually started to create kind of a bang looking situation. And I actually really loved it. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of this video. Was it a pass or a fail? And I will be back soon with part 2. She was not here for the modeling of the style after, so I do apologize in advance for not having extensive footage of the final product, but you can see how absolutely cute this hairstyle came out. But there were some things that I would like to change. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for part 2.